Did you know that Islamic tradition holds a treasure trove of medicinal knowledge? Here are 5 intriguing medicinal facts from Islam that may surprise you. Black seed. The Prophet Muhammad once proclaimed that black seed holds the cure for all diseases except death. Modern research has shown that black seed contains potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a valuable natural remedy for various ailments. Hijama cupping therapy. Hijama is a traditional Islamic medicinal practice involving the use of cups to create suction on the skin. It's believed to promote blood circulation and detoxification. Many Muslims continue to benefit from hijama for pain relief and overall wellness. Tib al-Nabawi prophetic medicine. The prophetic tradition contains guidance on various medicinal herbs and foods recommended for maintaining health. For example, honey and dates are mentioned for their healing properties. Honey is known for its antibacterial qualities, and dates provide a rich miswak tooth stick. The use of the miswak, a teeth-cleaning twig from the Salvadora Pasica tree, is encouraged in Islam. Studies have shown that using the miswak can help maintain oral hygiene by reducing plaque and promoting gum health. Fasting for health. Fasting during Ramadan is not only a religious practice, but also offers health benefits. Intermittent fasting can improve metabolism, aid in weight management, and promote mental clarity. Muslims have practiced this form of fasting for centuries. Islamic tradition's emphasis on natural remedies and holistic well-being has left a lasting legacy in the world of medicine. These 5 facts offer a glimpse into the rich and time-tested medicinal knowledge within the Islamic heritage.